Hello and welcome to Exam Chala. Today we are going to discuss some important news and editorial analysis of 7th of October 2021. But before getting started, kindly do like, share, subscribe our channel on YouTube. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Telegram. Now moving on to the first important news regarding the series of Nobel Prizes have been giving on, and recently the Nobel Prize in Chemistry has been declared for Benjamin List and David Macmillan. Both of these are being awarded the Nobel Prize. इन दोनों ही व्यक्तियों को नोबेल प्राइज़ मिला है केमिस्ट्री के सेक्टर में, एंड स्पेशली इन द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द कैटलिस्ट. नाउ द वर्ड कैटलिस्ट, जैसे कि हमने बहुत इनिशियल स्टेज में भी, प्राइमरी स्टेज में भी पढ़ा है कि कैटलिस्ट आर दोज एलिमेंट्स जो किसी रिएक्शंस में डायरेक्टली पार्ट नहीं लेते बट रिएक्शन के रेट को फास्टर या स्लोअर बनाने में काम करते हैं. सो कैटलिस्ट आर दोज एलिमेंट्स और दोज सब्सटेंस which do not directly take part in any kind of chemical process or reaction but make this process either fast or slow depending upon their nature. So उन्हीं कैटलिस्ट पर रिसर्च करने के लिए, इनके अलग अलग फॉर्म्स, अलग अलग टेक्निक्स, अलग अलग मेथड्स को डिस्कवर करने के लिए दे हैव बीन गिवन द नोबेल प्राइज इन केमिस्ट्री, एंड स्पेशली फॉर डिज़ाइनिंग टू काइंड ऑफ अ केमिस्ट्री जो ऑर्गेनो कैटलिस्ट होते हैं, दैट इज़ ऐसे ऑर्गेनिक एलिमेंट्स विच इज़ कार्बन रिलेटेड एलिमेंट्स and then which acts as a catalyst. So either organic catalyst हो या asymmetric catalyst, a catalyst of two different characters but still acting in the same manner. So in catalyst पर what we need to understand regarding the UPSC exam or the PT perspective is, first thing is they have been awarded in the field of chemistry, and second thing is in the discovery of the catalyst. And what are catalysts? So catalysts are nothing but they are actually an important part and process of a chemical reaction, but they do not take part in the chemical reaction. These three things are important. Now moving on to the Nobel Prize, we know that it was started by Alfred Nobel in 1895 where he declared all his fortune, जितने भी उसके पास strength. He himself founded a dynamite, dynamite का आविष्कार किया था, and he had a lot of inventions, and that is why he was awarded a lot of money. So when he was going to die, he declared his own will that this money should be used for research and innovation, and people should be awarded in physics, chemistry, medicine, physiology, literature एंड पीस. तो पीस वॉज एडेड. और दो चीज़ें यहाँ पर इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट वन इज़ कि बाकी जितने भी प्राइजेज़ हैं पीस प्राइज़ को छोड़कर वो सारे के सारे स्वीडन में यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं, अलग अलग यूनिवर्सिटीज़ है, स्टॉकहोम यूनिवर्सिटीज़ है. दीज यूनिवर्सिटीज़ आर अवॉर्डिंग, बट ओनली द पीस प्राइज़ इज़ बीइंग अवॉर्डेड बाय द नॉर्वेजियन ग्रुप्स. तो अलग अलग ग्रुप्स होते हैं इन स्वीडन में भी, अलग अलग यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के अलग अलग क्लब्स होते हैं. उन क्लब्स के सोसाइटीज़ में लोग नॉमिनेट करने के बाद दे आर बीइंग सेलेक्टेड. सो ऑल ऑफ देम except the peace prize is selected by the Sweden and the rest is Sweden by the Norway. और इनिशियली जो स्टार्ट हुआ था इट वाज 1901 में, और सबसे पहला बार इकोनॉमी को देखते हुए भी और भी चीज़ें शुरू की गई, जैसे कि 1968 में स्वीडन के सेंट्रल बैंक ने इकोनॉमिक्स में भी देना शुरू किया. सो दीज आर द बेसिक क्राइटेरिया ऑफ व्हेन इट वाज स्टार्टेड, just to keep in a larger memory that all prizes except the peace prizes is being awarded by Sweden. Moving on to an important article about the Robocop, that is recently Singapore has delivered or have devised a new police Robocop. So Singapore में एक police Robocop that his name is Xavier has been allowed on the road to monitor the people in preventing crimes, managing traffics and burglary, चोरी. So इन सारी चीज़ों को मैनेज करने के लिए एक रोबोट पुलिस का गठन किया गया है, एंड दिस मीन सीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ इट विल बी हैविंग 5 सेट ऑफ कैमराज, पेट्रोलिंग गन्स, इट कैन स्टॉप कार्स एक्सेट्रा. तो व्हाट द ऑथर इज सेइंग है कि ओके फाइन, वी हैव डेवलप्ड, वी हैव मूव्ड टू द मैकेनिक्स ऑफ मैकेनिज्म एंड रोबोटिक्स पुलिस, दैट इज रोबोकॉप. बट द थिंग इज कि डू पीपल एक्चुअली नीड इट? क्या लोगों को इस तरह की पुलिस की वाकई ज़रूरत है? बिकॉज पुलिस की ज़रूरत क्यों है? वाई वी नीड पुलिस? इफ़ वी कैन बेटर इन्वेस्ट इन अ सोसाइटी एंड वी ड्रीम फॉर अ पीपल, ड्रीम फॉर अ सोसाइटी टू बी डेवलप्ड with no violation of rules and regulations, then there is not necessary to employ police in that. Similarly, second thing ये कह रहे हैं कि सिंगापुर जैसी कंट्री में there have been almost 90,000 पुलिस कैमराज हैं छोटे से कंट्री में. इट इज़ साइज इवन कंपैरेटिवली स्मॉलर देन दिल्ली. सो कहीं ना कहीं इट इज़ गोइंग टू हैम्पर द प्राइवेसी ऑफ द पीपल. ये पुलिस का, रोबोटिक्स पुलिस का, क्योंकि इसके पास खुद का ह्यूमन सेंस नहीं है, इट इज़ बीइंग प्रोग्राम्ड, सो इट कैन यूज टू स्पाई पीपल्स ऑल्सो. लोगों की जासूसी कर सकता है, पर्सनल लाइफ में इन्वेशन कर सकता है, प्राइवेसी को खतरा हो सकती है। और कभी इसको डिसीजन लेने का आ गया तो बिकॉज इट इज़ इनसेंसिटिव, इट हैज़ नो इमोशंस, इट कैन टेक सम डिसीजन विच आर practical but which are not sensitive, which are not common as well. So this type of interventions especially in the field of policing should be stopped. रोबोट्स का काम को लिमिटेड रखना चाहिए। पुलिस जैसी इंपॉर्टेंट सर्विसेज में देने से प्राइवेसी हैंडलिंग हो सकती है। आप डेटा 6 कैमरा 90 हज़ार कैमरा एक छोटे शहर में लगाएंगे, सो यू कैन रिकॉर्ड एवरीथिंग अनवांटेडली, यू कैन हैरास समवन, स्पाई समवन, बिलाइट समवन, एंड दैट इज़ वाई द नीड इज़ टू better change the attitude of the people so that there will be no crime, rather to investment in the crime protection. So crime protection से अच्छा है कि crime को prevent किया जाए, crime हो नहीं तो be a crime free society in order to improve the situation and the social indicators of society rather than investing in such kind of things. This has been used. So what we need to remember are two things. First is Singapore has become the first country in the world to start a robot police service, that is RoboCop, and the name is Xavier, and then positives and negative points we can write down. Moving on to another very important article published in the paper like about road accidents. We have combined the whole topic of road accidents together and we'll discuss what are the conditions of road accident in India and what are the measures being taken globally or at the national level as all. So recently there has been a survey by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, which is definitely headed by the Road Transport Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari, and it was found that 1,51,113 people were recently killed in 2019. केवल 2019 में 1.5 लाख के आसपास लोगों की मृत्यु हुई थी और 4.5 लाख के लोग के पास आसपास दे वे इंजर्ड ओनली इन द ईयर 2019। दूसरा सर्वे ये पाता है कि नेशनल हाईवे और स्टेट हाईवे जो टोटल रोड लेंथ यानी कि इंडिया में जितने भी रोड्स हैं उसका रोड लेंथ का केवल और केवल 5% है नेशनल हाईवे और स्टेट हाईवे, लेकिन इंडिया में होने वाले टोटल एक्सीडेंट्स का 61% क्लेम कर रहा है। दैट मीन्स मोर एक्सेसिबल द रोड, मोर बेटर द रोड, मोर द स्पीड एंड देयर इज मोर केयरलेसनेस। सो एक्सीडेंट्स आर नॉट हैपनिंग ड्यू टू द इनएफिशिएंसी ऑफ द रोड्स बट ड्यू टू द स्पीड कैपेबिलिटी एंड केयरलेसनेस is the major reason, and that is why we need to change the behavior attitude of the people towards driving, smart driving, sensitive driving, which has been lacking especially in Indian citizens as we can all know and we can see all around. इसमें से जो 35,000 गड्ढे से आसपास है वो नेशनल हाईवे पर हुए हैं और जो नेशनल हाईवे को मैनेज करती है नेशनल हाईवे अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया, दैट इज NHAI, and that is why the central ministers had talked about this and they were installed what we have done. तो नितिन गडकरी जी in a recently webinar has said कि इंडिया हैज़ yet again टॉप द फैटिलिटी फिगर्स, यानी पूरे विश्व भर में रोड सड़क से होने वाली दुर्घटनाओं में सबसे ज़्यादा मौत भारत में होती है और लगभग वो 415 डेथ के आसपास है। और ये इसलिए नहीं होती बिकॉज ऑफ द पुअर क्वालिटी ऑफ द रोड, बट इसलिए होती है ड्यू टू द केयरलेसनेस एंड लेस ट्रैफिक सेंस अमंग द पीपल। इन्हीं बीच में तमिलनाडु मॉडल को एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए कहा गया रिसेंटली बिकॉज तमिलनाडु हैज़ डन गुड स्टेप्स सेफ्टी मेजर्स एंड दैट इज़ वाई इट हैज़ रिड्यूस्ड road accident by 38% and death by 58%. So the Minister of Road and Transport has said other states to please implement this model. It will be very helpful how to alert the people, how to make people aware about it, how to make proper checkpoints, proper signage, directions, speed limits, control, measuring. इन तरह की चीज़ें करने से we can really save the human lives because it has been said that the small wonder has been जो एक मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट इसी हिसाब से लाया गया था, लेकिन ड्यू टू वेरी हार्ड एंड स्ट्रिंजेंट रूल्स इसका काफ़ी विरोध हुआ क्योंकि इसमें पेनल्टी बहुत ज़्यादा थी और इसीलिए ये जो अपने ओरिजिनल एम को जो रोड सेफ्टी एंड ट्रैफिक सेंस को इम्प्लीमेंट करने वाला था वो नहीं हुआ। अगर सही से इसे किया जाए तो 50% के ज़्यादा रेट वी नीड टू, हमारा एम था कि बाय 2020 वी वुड हैव डिक्लाइंड द डेथ रेट बाय 50%, बट ड्यू टू COVID-19 सिचुएशंस एंड ऑल थिंग्स definitely there was less road accident because less people in the road, but this target has been now shifted to 2025. So what are all the steps that we need to do, because he has called for all around effort, the Union Minister has called for all around effort to stop these road accidents at least by 50% in the coming year of 5 years, that is 2025. And क्योंकि इंडिया हैज़ द हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ फैटिलिटी रेट इवन मोर देन चाइना एंड USA, और हमारे देश का जो है 14% जो सोशियो इकोनॉमिक GDP लॉस हो रहा है, that is due to the accidents causing the road accident. Why? Because most of the people who are actually dying in these accidents are 70% of them are 18 to 45 years of old, and that is very very important. A recent estimate by many economic organizations और सर्वे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन has found कि यदि एक व्यक्ति 18 से 45 साल के बीच की किसी एक व्यक्ति की मौत होती है तो इट कॉस्ट अबाउट 90 लाख रुपीज़ टू अ GDP. दैट इज़, अगर वो जिंदा रहता तो ही वुड हैव डन कंट्रीब्यूशन अबाउट 90 लाख रुपीज़ इन द GDP. Or if a person dies, it costs about 90 lakh rupees in a GDP, and that is very very huge figure. And totally culminated, it has been seen that 14% of the national GDP जो सोशियो इकोनॉमिक लॉस में जा रही है. सो वी कैन डेफिनेटली दोज यंग पीपल विच आर गोइंग टू बी द इंडिकेटर्स एंड द इंजिन्स ऑफ ग्रोथ ऑफ द कमिंग time can easily be handled and can be manufactured so that their lives can be saved and their importance and influence in the economy can be easily made. And so the efforts of the states or the central government should be to bring down the death rate, especially among the youth population, both by creating awareness and second by creating strict rules so that by forced mummification they cannot be allowed to injustice in the same manner. Based on that, there have been several programs and functions have been running on, like the road safety month, which starts from the month of January to February. So that is very important. It can be asked in prelims like BT facts when which month is celebrated as a road safety month. So it is from 18th of January to 17th of February, and in that there is a theme of Suraksha, Sadak Suraksha Jeevan Raksha scheme was managed, and the basic was to aware the people about the road safety, wearing helmets, proper gearing drive, seat belts, not fastening drive, no overtaking, speed limits, not careless driving, these things. And based on that, there was a report has been titled the Traffic Crash Injuries and Disabilities Burden of India. This report has shown that there has been a large number of carelessness is the basic reason for the deaths or road accidents. So one thing is another important fact regarding the PT exam is the report, that is the Traffic Crash Injuries and Disabilities, which is the burden of Indian society. This report is being released by the Ministry of रोड एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट अलॉन्ग विथ द वर्ल्ड बैंक. सो वर्ल्ड बैंक के साथ साथ मिलकर ये कोलैबोरेशन में वी फाइंड आउट दैट बर्डन ऑन इंडियन सोसाइटी व्हाट इज़, दैट इज़ ट्रैफिक क्रैश इंजरीज एंड डिसेबिलिटीज़ की किस तरह से एक पर्सन का आफ्टर बीइंग डिसेबल्ड और आफ्टर बीइंग क्रैश्ड इन द एक्सीडेंट what kind of economic loss, social loss and emotional loss is happening to the country as well as to the individual is being assessed by the World Bank, and that report is Traffic Crash Injuries and Disabilities, the burden of India. Now what are the efforts that we made at the global level in order to stop the road accidents and all? So we have covered the complete series of road accidents, measures, why they are happening, what are their impacts, and what are the steps should be taken and what are the steps are being taken. So you can make a complete note regarding it. फिर road accident related कोई भी topic है, कोई भी issue है, you have a complete summarized note so you can directly revise from it. So I would better recommend you to write all these things in a proper note system so that you can have a compiled note on road safety and accidents sexual in India. Now what are the effects have them done at the global level? So global level, there has been a Brasilia Declaration on the Road Safety 2015 which was signed in Brazil. Definitely Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. India was a signatory. Secondly, the basic plan was to achieve the sustainable development of 3.6, that is the sustainable development of goal of better health and well-being. So based on that, if the people are healthy and if we want the people to be healthy, better health, then we can have to stop their unwanted death, accidental deaths in the road accidents, and that is why the aim was decided by 2030 we have to decrease a large amount of deaths in the coming era. Similarly, there has been another initiative, that is Decade for Road Safety. So United Nations has declared 2011 to 2020 as the Decade for Road Safety, and UN Global Road Safety Week, which is celebrated in the month of May. Similarly, the Road Safety Month, which is celebrated in India in the month of January to February. So these things that we can have to remember. What are the steps being taken in India? So we have passed recently the Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019, where are having heavy penalties for traffic violation, defective vehicles, Julian driving, that is driving below the age of 18, provides for motor vehicle fund, and which would be compulsory insurance for all third party insurance. There are other stringent rules, but due to the opposition from the state governments, the state governments have not been applying those hard rules, large amount of fines, because there are some political reasons. But at the end of the day, if we really want the accidents to come down to a particular significant level, we definitely have to impose better penalties, as well as to aware the people, especially the youth, who are actually being carelessness. And what is happening is, a person who is careless by himself is actually indulging another one into the accidental. So the person who is actually being suffered is unaware, or is properly, so he's getting caught in the awareness of other people. सो व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग कि एक व्यक्ति की गलती से दूसरे जो निर्दोष व्यक्ति की जान जा रही है, दैट इज़ अ वेरी क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस. सो वी हैव टू इंक्रीज द अवेयरनेस इन द रीजन, एज वेल एज बाई इंक्लूडिंग पेनल्टीज और अवेयरनेस और safeties, signboards, traffic sense availability, making the license availability a more tougher, better test availability, better mental and physical checkup, etc. can be done, and these things are already been taken by the India. So this is the complete structure note regarding what are road accidents, how it impacts, what are the steps should be taken, and what are being taken now only. Now moving on to the next article, that is we have discussed about the good health and well-being. So you can write down the SDG, sustainable development goals. Up to 2030 we have to establish the 17 goals, and that goal number 3, that is health and well-being. So you can include these goals in the coming era also, and you can write this sustainable development goal 3. That will definitely increase your mark fetching ability in the mains answer. Next important article is regarding the NDA's inclusion test. Recently we know that 2 months ago Supreme Court has ordered that the NDA, or the Prime Minister has declared from the red fort that National Defense Academy will also now include women's in the cadet. So the NDA exam will now also include the cadet officers, the lieutenant colonel range women officers directly through the NDA examination. But what is going to happen, the NDA or the test method should have been, the author is saying that the basic criteria for test and passing the exams should now be modified. Similarly, the physical test, keeping the abilities and keeping the specifications in the women. So we need to modify it, and we need to modify both the environment parameters, measures as well. So what we need to include is a more inclusive structure. That is that particular region more inclusive. Inclusive means it should be equally friendly for women also and men's also. Since it was only a men's organization, so there were some rules and regulations which would have settled in the favor of men. But now the NDA has been allowed, and has been ordered to include women officers from the very beginning, and the women can sit in the NDA exam also. So we need to check down the parameters, and then the eligibility criteria, physical criteria, and other things. So we should also include some mental habit programs in the examination, weekly test. So इस तरह से we need to completely comprehend and devise a system in such a manner that will also provide help to the people. That is very, very important, because at the end of the day what we need is an equal women participation. And if the participation is equal, so what we can assure is, what we can assume is a better placed ability, because at the end of the day the requirement is better officers in military. Maybe they may be male or female, that doesn't matter. What we need is better officers. And for really getting better officers, keeping in the physical challenges and the body structure and other criteria in mind, the test should be made in such a way that it should not favor any of them at the cost of any other. So test and other things should be designed in such a manner that it should help both of the people. So just keeping the hard and fast rule and the old system of male dominated test, male dominated practice modules, environment, physical environments, other structures, basic amenities. Now there is need to revamp the old structure and include more women friendly environment as well as test parameters, so that the women should also get equal participation in order to carry out the effort. And at the end of the day we will get better officers posted, which will be having both better physical criteria, educational criteria, commendability, and in order to carry on their job, because we need better officers in the army, not on the basis of any kind of sex discrimination or physical determination, but we need a better capable officer. The competency should be maintained in such a manner that they should be able to prove, protect and maintain the sanctity of India, both at the borders or inside the border, because military has various roles. They are combat roles. Combat roles means to fighting the roles, but there are also some non-combat roles, engineering roles, medical services, facility service. Nowadays the war is going to be cyber war, So our military cadets should also be ready on to fight those cyber wars, technological warfare, modern weapon system, cutting edge technologies. So these things, a computer or a machine does not differentiate between men and women. So the NDA or the training parameters or the selection parameters should not also differentiate between men and women. That is the basic idea behind the courts or even the prime ministers allowing the new method and revamped method of allowing women to be part in the NDA academy. And that is very good and welcome step, because at the end of the day what we need is better officers to serve the country and to protect the country from all kind of effort, be it physical, military, cyber, technological, all these kind of effort. So this was all for today's video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.